Right, hopefully, if the battery lasts, let's see what happens now if it tries to spin with a big suds in it. Oh, that's a big turn now, we've got out of that. I think they're finally dissolving. We've still got some suds down there at the bottom, but it is distributing. But are we going to get a spin? Oh, there we go. And there it stops.
You should say not to Sudsy this round.
I don't think she's on anymore. I think in future I'm not going to be allowed anywhere near the washing machine if I bugger it up like this, or balls it up with a lot of suds in it. Come on, washer, I need you to do another spin just before my battery runs out. Well, now she stops. I don't know if this big spin's going to get all the suds out. We'll soon find out. Now she stops. But we've still got quite a bit of suds in there. I'm going to pack in half an hour if it's not clean, guys. Well, got a really big suds lock here, guys, on this spin. This isn't the 1200 spin yet, so I'm just waiting for it to stop and then do the 1200 burst, slowing down now. So when it shoots up to the 1200 burst, let's see what happens. Whether or not, I don't think That spin's got most of the bubbles out now, actually. So we're slowing down now with the big Suds bubbles on the door, and now we're going to go to the 1200 burst. So let's see now if we get any more big bubbles on the door when it shoots up in a second. Probably taking a bit because it's only got small, about 3 or 4 small items in, so it's doing a long distribution. Here we go. Well, that's not too bad at all, that, guys. Most of them have gone. It's not as fast as the old Hotpoints. It's not like kind as fast as me 9536W and me 9534. Well, then again, it's still in my washer. These bubbles are just dancing around the door while it spins. So it's the end of the spin now, but we've still got big bubbles on the door. What I'll do now, while my mum's gone out, I'll put it on the same wash program again and let it fill up and see how much bubbles we get this time while I put my battery on charge, and then I'll switch it back on. There's my coloured hankies in there. Right, I'll come back on in a bit. We were just going really fast then, guys, because it's filled up a bit more, and the drum was going really fast because I put it on that fast wash. Let's see if it does it again. It's not doing it as fast now, but just then when it turned left, before I turned my camera back on, it went a bit faster, and the hankies were going really fast. But we seem to have got most of the bubbles out now, just a few little ones left at the bottom of the door. At the bottom of the drum. Well, just then, honest to God, it went really fast then. Like a really big distribution. And anyway, it's a good job I've cleaned it up now, because my mum's on her due back any time, so at least I've done it dead quick, so at least I'm not going to get grounded or anything, or punished, so... Oh, I think we're going for a big turn again, here we go. Wow. It doesn't do it this fast on program Fast Wash 5. On number 5 it don't do it this fast. Well, then again, I suppose this is because it's a cold wash. I put it on cold fast instead of like a warm one, so maybe that's the difference. But you guys will know, won't you? Here we go again. Oh no, heard me wrong, it's not going as fast this time like it did just a minute ago when it clicked.